Welcome back, friend. Today's points regarding welding improvements. How to improve your weld. Okay, now we start the topic, the improvements points of the welding. The support tool for productivity improvements and improve welding quality. Our topics are the factor effects on penetration, how stick out length effect on penetration depth, and how forward backward angle effect on the penetrations, and how torch angle effect on the penetration. Friends, we know very well कि welding direction and welding torch angle and voltage currents, wire stick length. These are parameters to affect welding quality in sense of penetration, aesthetic, and many more. Okay, now we are proceed for next page. The factor effects on welding results. Friends, as shown on a screen, there are one diagram. There are too many factors effect on welding. There is the inclination angles of workpiece, torch forward backward angle, wire extension, wire end point, and torch inclination angle to the joints. If you want a satisfactory result, then there are in inclination angles of the workpiece. To try to maintain horizontal surface of weld piece, torch forward angles, backward angle forward, no torch inclination angles. Wire extension 10 mm, 15 mm, 20 mm. Generally we are using 1 mm wire, then 15 mm sufficient. We discussed in next slide what is the output for 10 mm and what is the output for 20 mm. Same wire aimed point and torch inclination angles. 45-degree torch angle is the best angle for welding penetrations and aesthetically okay weldings. Okay. Now, distance between contact tip and weldment. Weldment means the surface of welding, I mean the base metals which you weld. So there are the three torch shown on a screen. First, the wire stick length. Wire stick depends on current also. If you are using 10 to 15 mm wire stick, then using current up to 200 amperes as shown on here. If you are using 200 to 350, then 15 mm to 20 mm wire stick. If you are using 350 amperes to 500 ampere, then wire stick must 20 to 25 mm. Okay. Then influence that distance between tip and work gives the welding operations. The distance is long. Suppose the distance is long. In these situations, the blowhole problems happen. You know, the shielding gas provide insulations of environmental gas and welding. So when the wire stick length is long, so may proper shielding not happen and blowhole created. Arc start become bad. Initially you may face problems to huge spatters and arc become unstable and shallow penetrations. If wire stick is long, then you may face problems of penetration. Long stick length for shallow penetration. If the distance is short, then it become easy break the nozzles. It difficult to see welding widths and deep penetration. In this case, penetration is deep but difficult to see welding bits. Okay. The distance between contact tip and workpiece is the very important. It should be the set 15 mm basically, and adjust it depends on current volume, as discussed in previous slides. Second topic are penetration and wire stick out length. Okay, so there are the three sections: one 10 mm, 15 mm and 20 mm. There are two types of the welding described here. One is the HD pulse and another is the SP pulse. If you maintain 10 mm wire stick, then penetration, that means heavy penetrations. This is the surface and this is the penetrations. The dark shadow image is the penetrations. Okay. And when using 15 mm, then the slightly shallow penetrations. If you are comparing this and this one, then this is the shallow. And if you are using 20 mm, then penetration decreased. I mean, if you increase the stick out length, then penetration decreases. As shown in the images, there are the welding width. There are the welding width here, 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 and here, and this is a section. Okay, so the welding when the wire stick is long, then welding is wide, but penetration is the shallow. If you draw the lines, then you define the clear difference between differences of wire stick lengths. I hope this topic is clear. This is the difference of the actual penetration depth by the each stick out length. As it's shown, penetration depth changes according to the length. Okay, friends, come to the next point. Bead forming and torch angles. What is the impact of bead forming and torch angles? So there are forward angles and backward angles. The traveling directions angles of the torch. Where basically there are the two types of the bending, and the push angle and pull angles. In this is the forward angle. Forward angle, that means push angle, and backward angle, that means the pull angle. The bead shape. So if you are using the in case of thin metal, used push angle. Push angle, that means forward angle. In this case, the welding penetration is the shallow. If you are weld on thick metal, then using backward angles. This is the penetration like B shape. The penetrate shallow and deep, width bit broad narrow, height of bit low, high. The penetration drift greatly change depends on the torch angle. Basically, we use the forward angle in welding up to 200 amperes. So friends, come to the next one, where the second last topics are the penetrations and torch angles. This is the torch angles and directions, push and pull, and this is what happened. This is the practical image. Basically, what's happened when you are using these torch angles. The different torch angles welding penetrations shown on the screens. Here 35-degree angles, that welding penetration, 20-degree these types of welding penetration, no torch inclination, these types, backward angles this, and backward angle this. So this is the complete outputs of different torch angles and directions as shown in figure. This is the torch angles and directions. Bead forming and torch tilt angles. What the effect on bead when you tilt the torch angles? Friends, there are three torch angles: 30 degree, 45 degrees and 60 degrees. Here also the maintain the same board thickness, and this is the effect of weldings as shown in image. So what are the impacts? You feel if you are maintaining the 45 degrees angles, the welding is equally penetrated on both sides. Otherwise, if you are till 30 degree or 60 degrees, the penetration bigger in torch directions. So 45 degrees angle is the good for any types of the welding. So friends, let's see how the torch tilts angles affects, and when you change the torch fall angles, penetrations depth will be also changed. Please do not forget to check it. It is often to overlooked. So I hope this video is the useful for your knowledge. If you like these videos, then kindly like, subscribe and share. If any doubts regarding any types of the welding, kindly comments in comment box. Thank you so much.